What are you doing?
What did you do? What did you do?
Bring it to Mom? Okay, I got it. Oops, don't worry, I'm okay. This video isn't for those who haven't had lovers. I'm sure that is a faster way to get downstairs, but is it worth it, dude? He definitely has a not-so-good memory with shoes, I bet. Step 1 of having a cool picture on social media: wearing sunglasses.
What's that one thing in your house that you spent so much money on, but every day it just sits there?
Keep in mind that this is normal. He doesn't eat anything strange.